The first one is called a cross join. Mathematically, a cross join is also a Cartesian product. What that means is that you take all the information from both sets of information, two tables, two data sources, and you join everything to everything else. So as you can see here, in this data source we've got row A, row B and row C. In this other data source we've got row 1, 2 and 3. To create a Cartesian product or cross join, we take row A 3 times and join it with 1, 2 and 3. Then row B 1, 2 and 3, row C 1, 2 and 3. We could do it the other way around and have row 1, 1, 1 joined with ABC, row 1, 1, 1, ABC, and so on and so forth. You get the point. Everything is joined with everything else regardless of any relationship between them. It creates a lot of data and information. That is what a cross join is. A natural or inner join is an intersection, where a natural join is a special type of inner join. Here what I'm showing is two very simple grade school mathematical sets of information where the point in space that the two sets actually cross over each other and have common elements, that is the intersection. So we're looking for the rows that are in both tables, common to both tables. That is a natural or inner join, an intersection of data. An outer join is the intersection plus information that is in one table and not in the other. So in this case we have the intersection plus the left outer join, which is all the stuff in the table in the left that is not in the table on the right. Similarly, a right outer join includes the intersection plus all information in the right table that is not in the left table. A full outer join includes the intersection plus everything on the left and everything on the right. Everything on the left not in the right, everything on the right not on the left. Now your first instinct might be to call this a cross join. It's not, because a cross join would take everything in here and everything in here and everything in here and join it all together and get a lot more information. We'll demonstrate that later on. A self join is a special type of intersection that I like to add. It's not actually properly normalized information, it's hierarchical, it's quite common in many OLTP databases and sometimes in data warehouses in denormalized dimensions where you have a hierarchy of information in the same table. In other words, you can remember from the category table in previous movies in this course, you have categories where a category actually has a parent ID and it is also a category, but it's stored in the same table. So it joins to itself. It's a special type of join. It's called a self join. It's also called a fishhook join in some cases.